And good morning, traders. This is FX Chief broadcasting, if you will, from absolutely sunny, beautiful Orlando, Florida. I want to take the time to say thank you for coming into Chief Chats. There were three great questions that I want to address this week that have to do with successful trading. One question is, we want to focus in on having the proper mindset that enables us to accept the uncertainties and risks involved in trading and just believing that our trading strategy works. That's a great question. What is a person really needs to do to embrace the risk that comes with trading? I'm going to be real frank with you about all this. Number one, if you are not risk tolerant and you're not used to investing or don't like to take risks in investing, then any sort of trading really isn't for you. Trading involves risk, but a lot of people say trading in the Forex market is very risky. I don't think so. You know, as far as I'm concerned, trading in anything could be risky if you are not properly educated about how the market works. See, lack of education is what creates risk. When you don't know what you're doing. I mean, you could risk opening up a restaurant. If you don't know what you're doing, you've increased your risk and not being able to survive. See, traders that trade that don't know what they're doing, they increase their risk of losing money. But traders that know what they're doing, traders that have been educated, traders that have a tried and true trading strategy that we provide here at Market Traders Institute, eliminate and minimize their risk. Now, the next question was, Chief, how do I deal with losses? You know, one of the saddest things that takes place in our society today, parents don't teach children at a young age how to deal with losses. The fact of the matter is, we as human beings are going to lose a lot. We're going to lose friends along the way. We're going to lose relationships along the way. We're going to lose boyfriends and girlfriends. We're going to lose our houses. We're going to lose cars. Some people are going to have to start all over again. Some people are going to lose their marriages. And so learning to take a loss is very important, and most everybody loses money along the way. And so one of the things you have to do is you have to learn how to properly embrace taking a loss in the financial market. We here at Market Traders Institute, we literally have classes and lessons that teach people how to properly manage their equity so their losses are at a minimum and their gains are at a maximum. But more importantly, we teach them the psychological issues necessary to take those losses. And lastly, the question is, what's really the future outlook for Brexit? Well, there's a lot of turmoil over in Europe because of this Brexit issue. There's a lot of unknowns, and banks and investors are literally treading through uncharted waters. And so what happens when people don't know what to do? The markets start to consolidate. There's a lot of consolidation going on right now. If you don't know how to trade consolidation, you really need to get in touch with us. We know how to trade that consolidation. Consolidation really takes place before the next big breakout. So there's going to still be a lot of opportunity. There's a lot of trading opportunity in consolidation, but there's also a lot of opportunity in that breakout when it's time to pick a direction. Having said that, everybody, I want to thank you for taking the time to come into Chief's Chats. Hope you learned something here today. And if you need help in your trading, please give us a call here at Market Traders Institute. This is Chief.